Yes, today we will learn about type of franchising. Yesterday we were learning that type of extensions, internal and external, in which we learned about the introduction of franchising. Now, franchising and franchisor, there were two terms. Who is the franchisor? The company, the owner company who gives permission to the seller company or to the small company or subsidiary company or to the manufacturer company. It gives permission to use its name and to work with his products. That is called franchising. The procedure is called franchising, and the owner company is called franchisor. The second person subsidiary company is called franchisee. Now we will start new topic, that is types of franchising. What are the types? Let's start from first. First one is product franchise business opportunity. That means in which the manufacturer of the product will give permission to other company, gives permission to the subsidiary company that they can sell the product. They can sell their product with their name, with the company's name, with the owner company's name, franchisor company's name. So here product franchise means the manufacturer company allowed to the subsidiary company. Now I will not repeat this name subsidiary. I'll say franchisee. Do you remember franchisor and franchisee? The owner company is called franchisor and the company who takes permission from owner company is called franchisee. So here product franchise business opportunity means the manufacturer of the product, the manufacturer company will give permission to the franchisee company that they can sell the product with the franchisor company's name. Now, franchisor company have risk in this. What type of risk? If the franchisee company will sell the product with the manufacturer company's name and the franchisee company is not providing proper services, is not providing good quality product, in such case the franchisor company's reputation, goodwill will decrease. So this is the big risk for the manufacturer company, for the franchisor company. But here this is not the reality. This is one of the limitation. If it is given, then we have to write, but the reality is something different. Reality is that franchisor company, whenever they give permission to franchisee, they give franchise to somebody else, then they put so many of the instructions and conditions for dealing with the customers. Means, for example, in ingredients we learned that how much product to be sold within a month, within a limited time period, and what type of after sales services must be given, what type of description must be given before selling the product. Regarding product, what type of description should be given, and during the sale procedure, what type of deal you will do, how much amount you will keep for your sale prices you will keep for your product. So all these various type of restrictions are put. Okay, so without any investment, the manufacturer company can sell their product in the new locality, in the another locality. Okay, now let's see the second one. Second one is, next one is manufacturing franchise opportunity. What is this manufacturing franchise opportunity? In this franchise, the manufacturer company will give permission to the franchisee company to manufacture the product, to produce the product. Okay, before that product franchise mean the franchisee company was not making production, they were just selling the product. Whatever the owner company produces, the product, the franchisee company was selling it in his own locality. But here manufacturing franchise opportunity, in this system the franchisee company gets permission to produce the product, to manufacture the product. Okay, now again the same thing is here, that franchisor company will set some norms, will fix some norms. These norms the franchisee company will have to fulfill. For example, that what will be the ratio of raw material when you are producing the product, what will be the time period of making it, what will be the quantity you will produce, है ना? So all these type of conditions are put through contract of the franchise. Here, the permission is given to manufacture the product, and the franchisee company will produce the product and say they will sell in the market with the franchisor's name. Here again, there is a risk for the franchisor company. What risk? Because the name is used of franchisor, so franchisor's reputation may be hurt if the product is not up to the mark. If the product is not standardized. Okay, so it is important for that. Generally, what type of products are in what type of products this system is followed? This manufacturing franchise opportunity is followed generally in food products. Food and beverage industries follow this system. For example, McDonald's. What the McDonald's do? If McDonald's main manufacturing plant is in Mumbai, its head office is in Mumbai, and now if the company want to open one of the branch in Meerut, how is it possible that if you will order McDonald pizza and they will provide you within half an hour from Mumbai to Meerut? Is it possible? No. Okay. So what they will do here, they will give franchise to some company, to some franchisee company, and they will set the showroom and the design of the restaurant. Everything will be fixed by the franchisor company, by the Mumbai head office of McDonald's. They will set everything because the restaurant design must remain same in all over the country. Then only it will have its own recognition. Its identity will be there. So many people, they do not know how to read McDonald's, so they can recognize that place, that specific place they can recognize by the structure, by the design of that restaurant. That is why. Okay, so design is fixed, and the ingredients and the recipe of the pizza and burger, whatever they are producing, is fixed. But the franchisee company will sell it. Now, suppose karte hain, if in Meerut the franchisee is given to one person and that person is not providing good quality product, वो पुराने खराब हुए हुए पिज्जा एंड बर्गर भी कस्टमर्स को सप्लाई कर देता है, then who will bear the loss? Both will bear the loss. First one is franchisee will bear the loss because nobody would like to come in his restaurant. Second thing is that the name he is using, McDonald, so its overall reputation will become nil. Okay, that is why it is used in food product, and but the complete watch is kept by franchisor company on franchise. Let's go for third one. The next one is business franchise opportunity venture. That is a business owner purchases and distribute the product for one specific company. The franchisor, the business organization purchases product of particular company, particular brand, and they will sell, they will deal in that product only, that is specific company's product only. The company must provide customers or accounts to the business owner, and in return, the business owner pays a fee for the consideration of compensation. For example, vending machine routes. क्या होता है ये vending machine क्या होता है? See, business franchise opportunity. Business franchise. What type of business franchise? Here, the franchisee company is not doing anything. They have just one responsibility. What? The location they will provide, and the raw material will be put there. It is compulsory that material will be filled in that machine. Vending machine is the best of the example because suppose milk vending machine. Mother Dairy suna hai? Milk vending machine. In big cities they have their own machineries. But own machineries, what does it mean? Will the Mother Dairy company will establish their own in every city of the country? They will purchase land and they will fix everywhere? No, they will not do this. They will issue franchise, and then the franchisee will look after that business. Okay. Here, the business person will not, the franchisee company will not have to do anything. The machine is fixed by the owner company and the product is sent by the owner company. They have to just look after it. They have to just maintain the accounting records. Nothing else they have to do. Because product वहाँ पर है, advertising owner company कर रही है, and everything is done by owner company. Customer, if they require, then they will come to the to that vending machine. They will put money in that. The franchisee company do not have to do even selling activities also. They do not have to do this. They have to just maintain the records, how much product was put in that machine, how much product is sold, and how much money is being received. No bargaining, no dealing, nothing they have to do. So here they have to just maintain the record. Next one is, fourth one is business format franchise opportunity. This is the most popular form of franchising. Business format. In this approach, the company provides a business owner with a proven method or operating of a business with the name and trademark of the company. The owner company usually provide a significant amount to start a business to the franchisee company, and they fix the operational activities, they fix the business activities, everything is fixed. Just uh, franchisee company will have to follow the instructions, that's all. And the franchisee company against of it, franchisor company is investing money, franchising company is giving training, franchisee company is determining the operational activities of the franchisee company, everything is done by franchisor company. Then in such case, against of it, the franchisor company, the owner company will charge some royalty or fee from franchisee company. Okay, so generally this type of business, this type of franchise is followed where the suppliers are required to the company. When owner company wants some suppliers in different cities, then such type of franchise is followed. Now, next topic is how franchising helps startup. How franchising helps. Franchising, first point is franchising changed the working of the startup because already the product carries a good name as compared to normal business, as compared to other businesses. Franchises startup is very easy because the company, the product name is already very much popular, and no need of advertising, no need of doing so much of effort for marketing. Market is already prepared. Ready-made market is provided by the franchisor. Okay, that is why the startup pay royalty to the franchisor. For the purpose, franchisee company will have to pay some royalty to the franchisor company, to the owner company. For example, McDonald, again we'll take the same example, McDonald. Do you think that if a McDonald establishment will make in Meerut city, then do you think that it require any type of advertising? No, we don't think so, because it is not in our city. McDonald companies, no outlet is here in our city, but still we know what is McDonald. It is a brand, it is an American company, what it is providing pizzas and burgers, what is famous from McDonald's. Every information we have. Being a customer, we have every information about McDonald's. So whenever the outlet of McDonald's will be established in our city, then it will not require a single effort for marketing, for advertising. So ready-made market is provided, startup becomes easy. Since the startup offer an established product, the struggling time and money involved in the process becomes easy, because franchisee companies sometimes they provide financial support also, and the struggling time, there is no struggling time in every business. Whenever you will start the business, there will be some time for very much hard work and struggle. You have to do a lot of activities, lot of efforts to uh, uh, run smoothly your business, especially in initial stage. But here in this business, there are no struggle time and no struggling money here. Now, next one is startup take training to understand the product, and franchisor make franchises fully conversant with the product or services they have to offer. What is this? That franchisor company fully communicate with the franchisee company. If there will be any problem, then the franchisor company is always there to help them. Even they give their own salespersons. Even if the franchisee company is for manufacturing, then they have their own skilled people. Franchisor company, owner company will provide the skilled people also themselves. So for startup, it is very easy a franchise business. Next one is the startup can grow fast without having to increase labor, operation cost, and blocking running expenses. So startups can grow fast without having to increase labor cost and all cost, because the owner company is there. They will share everything. If you want to hire an engineer for your product, then it will be very expensive. But the company already having their engineer, very much experienced engineer, you have to pay his salary. But company already have checked that engineer very well. That engineer is well experienced because he was working since so many years in owner company. Now he will be transferred in the franchisee company. Okay? So no extra expenses. If you will appoint the engineer yourself, then maybe experience may not be experienced. Maybe he is charging high salary, but he is not working as well. But everything is uh, very well, and the franchisor company is there to help franchisee company. In practical, franchises work for the benefit of franchisor. In other words, they turn up 1 plus 1 11. Why? Because franchisor company having benefit. ये तो सारे हुए हमारे स्टार्टअप के लिए तीनों पॉइंट्स, है ना. फोर्थ पॉइंट हम इसमें लिख सकते हैं दैट फ्रेंचाइजर कंपनी प्रोवाइड फाइनेंसेस आल्सो टू द फ्रेंचाइजी कंपनी. ठीक है, फाइनेंसेस भी प्रोवाइड कराते हैं, तो स्टार्टअप फाइनेंशियली भी इजी हो जाता है. Now the next one is in practical franchise work is very much beneficial for franchisor, because franchisor want to expand his business, and without doing any efforts, all the efforts and investment also will be done by the franchisee company. So in such case, franchisor company can expand its business, can expand its market very easily in the new locations, in the new cities, without doing any effort. One aspect is without doing any effort. Second aspect, that they will expand their business. Third aspect, that they will charge royalty also. Without taking any risk, they will charge royalty from the franchisee company. So for franchisors, it is very much beneficial. These are the franchises work for the startup.